From Studio Ghibli, the creators of the Academy Award-winning Spirited Away, come 3 extraordinary films for the first time ever on 2-disc DVD. Nausicaa, The Valley of the Wind. Miyazaki's epic masterpiece of a brave young princess.
Nausicaa.
And her struggle to bring peace to the world's warring kingdoms.
Who could have polluted the entire Earth?
You have to save the people of the valley!
Princess, no!
The valley's in danger!
A timeless story of courage and compassion in the face of danger.
What a mysterious power she has.
The magnificent and unforgettable film you won't want to miss. Nausicaa, The Valley of the Wind. Porco Rosso, Miyazaki's soaring action adventure of a valiant pilot.
Porco Rosso!
Here we go!
It is Porco!
Transformed by a mysterious spell.
I only look out for myself.
And his heroic battles to rid the skies of notorious pirates.
Slice them into bacon!
Full of courage and humor.
I'll tell everyone you're chicken!
Chicken, pig, what's the difference?
Take flight with the incredible Porco Rosso. At last, the cat returns.
Welcome to the Bureau.
A light-hearted tale of a girl who encounters a noble cat and ultimately opens her eyes to a whole other world.
Always believe in yourself. Do this, and no matter where you are, you will have nothing to fear.
It's an imaginative,
Kitty, you want some more?
heartwarming, and magical adventure. The Cat Returns. Experience the wonder of one of the world's greatest storytellers with these 3 enchanting films you'll want to watch again and again. Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind. Porco Rosso. The Cat Returns. Yours to own for the first time on 2-disc DVD.
Dear Diary, Stitch has been doing really great. His goodness level is way up. And climbing. I've been helping him get in touch with his inner Elvis. This is the exact bench where Elvis sat in Blue Hawaii.
Oh yeah, that's him.
But something strange is happening. Stitch is acting really weird, even for Stitch.
What?
I don't know if there's enough Ohana in all of Hawaii to fix this problem.
All new from Walt Disney Pictures, the sequel to the hit movie Lilo and Stitch. But this time, Stitch has a glitch. Lilo and Stitch. Stitch has a glitch. Only on Disney DVD Fall 2005.
Hollywood Tower Hotel. I'm sorry, we don't have any vacancies. When will we? Let me check. It seems you're in luck. Something just opened up.
The Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. Drop in if you dare.
Hey! You gonna eat the rest of your popcorn?
Triplicate Girl, open another channel. We can't lose them.
I'm trying.
How are you holding up?
storm is getting worse. United Planet ships are on their way, but we fear they won't make it in time. We need help. Like mad. Please hurry.
Bouncing boy, increase speed to full power.
With this kind of turbulence outside, it could tear the cruiser apart.
This isn't just any planet in trouble.